Welcome to week 4 in our course. I know that you are looking at your tentative instructional outline and you see, oh, this is tricky. And you see that we are on week 4. We are managing our time. This is one of my very favorite modules in our course because if we don't manage our time well, we're not going to accomplish what we set out to accomplish. So, looking at your tentative instructional outline, you're going to complete the weekly schedule assignment, which is what I made a video to talk about, because while it is the easiest 100 points you will earn in this course, it takes just a tiny bit of explaining. But it is simple, it is fast, you will be finished with this in no less than 20 minutes. Now, you may think about this for the remainder of the week, and I hope that you do, because after doing this, you may see that you need to make some changes in order to successfully accomplish your goals that you've set for yourself in college. But as far as earning this 100 points, very easy, very easy. And then you are going to complete the online quiz based on Chapter 3, Managing Your Time and Energy, and you're going to post to the discussion board. Before I get started with the weekly schedule assignment, I want to talk with you about this. How to determine your grade in Education 1300. This is in week 1, and it's part of what I posted in that week 1 content. If I were you, I would be keeping track of the points that you've earned, okay? So far, we've completed the syllabus statement, the student demographic information sheet, the scavenger hunt. Well, you will have completed that on Sunday. And then the student information form for advising. I'm going to give you credit for that if and when you make your appointment and complete your appointment with Ms. Dean. Okay, so that has been done. That should have been done, but you will not get credit for that in the gradebook yet. You will get credit for that in the gradebook when you complete that WebEx appointment with Ms. Dean. Okay, I've given you credit already for week 1 discussion board, your self-introductions, and I'm going to give everyone credit for week 2. Now, this is the only time I will give everyone credit, even if you didn't make a response in discussion board. I am going to generously assume that everyone read all of that information on advising, and if you did happen to have any questions, that you posted those for Ms. Dean. I know that some of you did. Thank you so much. When you post, it helps other people. So thanks for doing that. So please be keeping track of this so you know about your grade. Okay, let's move on to your weekly schedule. You're going to see 2 sheets. Important to note, in order to get full credit, you have to have 2 sheets completed. Okay, first sheet. This is your draft, okay? I want you to be honest with this. This is mine. I mean, this is not mine in particular, but this is an example that I made, okay? Where am I spending my time? Just think about it as you're looking at this. Sleeping. How many hours am I sleeping a night? Personal care. How long am I doing my hair over here? Meal prep. What am I doing here? Socializing with friends. Socializing, being by yourself, alone time. Video games, relaxing, TV, Netflix, these things. So I just wrote down, I think I probably spend about an hour here, 2 hours here, 8 hours here at work. And then you realize, oh wow, there are 24 hours in a day. And what I wrote down here is that I have 31 hours of activity. I'm no mathematician, but that doesn't add up. So this draft, where you are being really honest about what you're doing, is going to show you if I'm working 8 hours and spending 2 hours in class and then 3 hours a day studying, this isn't actually happening. So what am I not doing? So what you may decide if you're taking 4 courses this semester is, I'm not going to be able to work 8 hours and take 4 courses, because then I can't sleep. And if I can't sleep, I can't think. So something's going to have to change. I may have to adjust something. You may determine I must keep up this work schedule. There's no option for my family if I don't keep up this work schedule. So I'm not going to be able to take all these classes. What this time management should help you with is determining, okay, so I'm in a new season in life. We're now 3 weeks into this. How's this going? What's going on? What might I need to adjust? What might I need to think about? Your second page that you're going to fill out. This is your, okay, now that I know what I think I'm doing, this is actually ideal, okay? This is actually what I'm going to be able to do. So this is your, after I've been in class for 3 weeks, I know that this is what actually needs to happen. I need to wake up. I need to be moving at 7 o'clock in the morning. I need to be doing my online classes. I need to spend from 8, checking into my online classes. I need to spend from 8 through 11 working on that. I've got lunch, I've got to travel to my job, and then I'm going to work for 8 hours, and then you're going to have some downtime. And so what you may see, if this is your choice, if this is the I can't drop work and I can't drop school, then I'm going to have to drop a lot of social this semester. So what semester 1 in time management is going to help you with is figuring out, how is this going to work in my life? How am I going to meet my goals? So page 2, I want to be completely filled out. I'm fine with arrows. You don't have to write work. What would that be? 60 times. You don't have to write that in all those blanks. I'm fine with you drawing arrows, but I want this entire sheet filled out, okay? I would like this entire sheet to earn your 100 points, which y'all, you're going to write a paper and earn 100 points, and you're going to do a weekly schedule, 2 pages of a weekly schedule, and earn 100 points. So I'm telling you, easy, get it taken care of. You guys are doing a great job interacting with one another. We're going to talk about time management, which is an interesting discussion, and people have some good ideas for how we can work to get good ideas that, oh, she does that really well. That is something I can implement into my life. So be a part of that discussion. Remember, in order to earn full credit on the discussion board, you must answer the prompt fully. Please don't use text language, use college language, okay? Capital letters, punctuation, do your best with that. I'm not grading that, but that is the expectation. And then respond to at least 2 of your classmates. You will, if you respond to 2 of your classmates, you will earn full credit. I'm proud of you guys. You're doing a good job, working hard. You've gotten a great start to college. You can absolutely do this. And this week is going to help you see how to make your life a little bit easier. Have a good one.